We have asked the medical department to provide some support. We have been monitoring from last evening, and I'm told some medical attention has been given. Of course, they are not willing to leave the location, which is fine. And they want them to go means to the hospital for their health, but after repeated requests, they have decided not to go. But at the same time, at the local, that level where they are having in Malki, medical attention is being provided. Manpower is there, and doctors are there, and medical attention is being given to them. I think the important point, what we have to note and remember, is that their main concern was the construction in the island, and they've made it amply clear to them and to the citizens of our state that there is no construction there. The construction is going to take place where the Orchid Hotel is right now, which is the Orchid, Umiam Orchid. That's where the construction of the five-star hotel will take place. So the main issue which they had, which was the construction in Lumpungting Island, I think that has been amply clarified, and I think everybody is quite satisfied with that aspect. So therefore, I don't see the issue anymore, and therefore there is no reason that we should continue this. Their concerns were already addressed, or for their satisfaction, they have been addressed, and no construction is going to take place there. So there is no need to continue this, and I have, in fact, day before yesterday, after I had a review, I had appealed to our members of the different organizations that since the issue is clear and there is no construction that's going to take place, which was their major issue and concern, there is no need for them to continue. And obviously, as the head of the government, we have appealed to them that we are concerned about their health. We don't want their health to deteriorate. We don't want them to get ill. So therefore, since the issue has been resolved, there is no need to continue any of the fasting that they're doing. And if there are any concerns, our doors are always open. They can always come and meet us. Director has met them and has expressed and clarified all the concerns. And whatever more details one requires, Director will be happy to inform whether the press or any of the organizations that are concerned.